unlimited English classes. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club and try it for free for 7 days. Talk to you soon. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use indirect questions. The most common indirect questions start with, "Do you know?" and then we add a WH question word like what, where, when, why, who, or how. One way we use indirect questions is when we are unsure if the other person knows the answer or not. So let's look at this situation. Here we have two women asking about the location of the restroom. One woman is asking her friend who may or may not know, and one woman is asking a member of the staff who definitely knows. For the woman asking her friend, we would use an indirect question. Do you know where the restroom is? For the woman asking the staff member, we would use a direct question. Where is the restroom? Notice the position of the be verb in the direct question, and then in the indirect question. The is gets moved to the end of the sentence. A common mistake in this type of sentence is to say, "Do you know where is the restroom?" This is incorrect, so please be careful. Let's look at some more examples. Do you know what my password is? Do you know where I put my keys? Notice in this example, the direct question has did. But when we make an indirect question, we leave out the did. A common mistake would be, do you know where did I put my keys? Again, this is incorrect, so be careful. Do you know what time the next bus comes? When a question has a yes or no answer, instead of a WH question word, we use if. Let's check out some examples. Is it going to rain on Friday? Has a yes or no answer. So to make an indirect question, we would ask, do you know if it's going to rain on Friday? Do you know if the bus stops at the mall? We also use indirect questions to be more polite or formal. And we can use, could you tell me, plus a WH question word. Let's go back to this example. Instead of saying, "Where is the restroom?" to be more polite, this woman could ask, "Could you tell me where the restroom is?" Could you tell me what the specials are? Could you tell me how to buy a ticket? Now it's your turn. Try to change the direct question into an indirect question. Do you know where Nicaragua is? Do you know why the door is locked? Could you tell me how much this is? Could you tell me how long this movie is? Could you tell me how much it will cost to go to the airport? Give it a go. Try asking an indirect question in the comments. Do you want to practice speaking English? Join the Acquire English Club. Learn from and chat with native English teachers. Practice your English with learners from all over the world. The Acquire English Club. Go to aenglish.club. Talk to you soon.